Yo, what is up guys? So today we're going to be installing tire stickers on my Charger. Let's get right into it. Alright, so pretty much all you're going to need is the kit that comes with it. So it's got the tire glue, this is some tire sticker cleaner. It's like a little sample bottle. They do sell more on their website. Obviously the tire stickers. You are going to need some rags. I just got these from Home Depot. It was a big value pack, 55, it's 10 bucks. And you're going to need some acetone. Again, I got this at Home Depot, it was like 7 bucks. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to clean the wheels on your car, not the wheels. You're going to clean the tires on your car. And you're going to keep wiping them until the rags come clean. So it'll be black, brown, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Keep going until they're clean. Then we'll get into the next step of putting the tire stickers on your car. Let's get to cleaning. Alright, so that took a while. I only did this section right here. I used up a lot of rags, like a lot. This seems like it won't fully come clean. I did it until I was basically getting nothing done. Then basically what you're going to do on the next step, you're going to take some more acetone, and you're just going to lightly wipe off the backs of the tire stickers to make sure that there's no grease on there. No grease, no oils, none of that stuff to make sure that it sticks real well. Then you are going to break open the glue. Now what they say to do on this glue is you're going to do a line all the way around, spread it out, just make sure it's all the way there. So, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, there's one done there. I was adding a little bit here and there, whatever, but I basically was just pressing the bottle tip into it, and then adding a little bit more as I spread it around. But on like these little parts here, you won't need to do that. You can just spread it. And don't use too much. If you use too much, it'll just smear out, and then you won't have enough to do the rest of the letters. Alright, so after you get both letters looking like that, D-O is going to be the first one for me since I'm doing Dodge. And all you're going to do, you're going to line it up. And press it down. You're going to want to go from the inside out. Squeeze all that extra glue out. Press down for 15, 20 seconds. Alright, now after you've got this, after you press down for a little bit, you're going to let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then you're going to take off the transfer tape and fill in the loose with more of this glue. So I'm going to start over. Also, quick little tip, guys. So I jacked up the car now, so I can move this wheel freely. Also get you a straight edge and get you some painter's tape. So what we're gonna do, we'll go back in between here, just so we can kind of eyeball it, get it perfect, and then mark it with painter's tape so we know where to clean, and then clean it and stick it on there. Alright, so pretty much I got the rest of the tire stickers on. We're gonna wait the 10 minutes and let these dry, and then I'm gonna take the other stuff off. But this process is really long. So I will actually get back to you guys when all 4 wheels are done, and we'll do a huge walk around in the car so you guys can see what it looks like. See you then. Alright guys, and there you have it. That is tire stickers put on your Dodge Charger. It is a very tedious task. Like I said, get a lot of rags, get a lot of acetone. I did jack the car up on both sides just to make it easier for the wheel to rotate around. But as you can see here, they're all on the car. It's looking sick. It looks super sick, super aggressive. I'm only waiting to see how it looks when it rolls. Yeah. If you guys like that video, go ahead, give me a subscribe, give it a like, comment, tell me if I did a shitty ass job, tell me if I did a great fucking job. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see how long these last. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.